Ever wondered how a specific file in your GitHub repository has evolved over time? Let's dive into checking a file's commit history in GitHub. First, navigate to your repository and then click on the Code tab. Locate the file you want to investigate, either by browsing or using the file search feature. Once you've found your file, click on the file name, and on the next screen, you'll see several options available. Now, locate and click the History button. You'll find this button on the right. It is usually near the top. Awesome! You've accessed the file's commit history. This page neatly displays crucial information: the author of each change, the commit message summarizing what was altered, the time of the commit, and links to see the actual changes. Clicking on an author's name will take you to their profile page. Click each commit message to read more about the changes in detail, the change in the file, such as the addition of a paragraph. You can also do this using Git Commands. If you are using Git Commands, you will need to copy the file path and run the git log command, followed by your file path. This will bring up the same details in your command line. And that's how you can effortlessly trace a file's complete history in GitHub, whether through the interface or with helpful commands, enabling better version control and understanding of your project's evolution.